I don't like it, nor do you.
Nor do I.
But why don't you calm down and tell us without blaming each other what the main issues are?
Nor do I. Nor do I, but my children do.
And nor do I. Now, if you don't mind, I would appreciate it if you could lower your wand.
Nor do we.
And nor do I, but waiting for him to walk up 62 flights.
Okay. And nor do they.
Do you know, without my glasses, nor do you.
Experience and know others I do not know, and nor does anybody else.
And nor does the mess waiter.
Nor are they your women.
Nor are they illegal.
And nor are you Ari and Lena.
Is no longer welcome on campus, and nor are you.
You are not giving up, and nor am I. There are two of us now.
Nor am I. Just studying.
Nor am I. G-Man.
I believe that she's not crazy, nor is she lying.
Nor is he our enemy, Mother.
Nor is he early.
Nor did I, and it's catastrophic, gentlemen. Catastrophic.
Nor did I. Our only response was to keep on going and fuck everything.
Nor did I.
In fact, no one will play it on the radio, so EMI won't release it.
Nor did he.
Nor did she run away.
Did not come back, and nor did she.
Amelia was not a twin, nor did she have any sisters.
I never expected it, nor did she, but that's often the way things turn out.
The Spaniards knew nothing about it, nor did we.
Nor did you.
Nor were you smart enough to find the money, though you came quite close to it.
He was not poor, nor was he rich.
Nor was I.
Why?
Nor was I.
What's next?
Nor have I. I'm not interested in Egypt, Colin.
Nor have I, my friend.
Nor have I.
Nor can we!
I cannot renounce him, sire. Nor can you. I cannot renounce him, sire. Nor can you.
I cannot hear you, nor can I see you.
Almost way.
I can't get into too many details, nor would you want me to.
Nor would she be mine if she chooses to say yes.
Nor would I.
Nor could you.